Alright, we're here at the Holiday Inn, here in Timonium, Maryland, and we have some modernized elevators to ride. Ooh, epic motor. We have this elevator to ride. Take up to 7. We're on 7. Now that was an epic motor. Take back down to 2. We'll get a cat view. Door close button works. It's a pretty modern elevator for a Holiday Inn. Nothing too exciting. It's got a rear door in the back. There's your floor indicator, elevator number 1. These are your Innovation Prestige buttons. Certificate right there. Capacity is 2,500. And you're on 2. There's your original door track. One of these were doors originally, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, this is the only working elevator out of 2 since that elevator is out of order. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.